Hi there, I'm Dr. Fredrik Wallinder. I have some good news that I would like to share with you. The climate models which all doomsday scenarios are built upon and which politicians use to raise their taxes may be flawed, since they don't take into account all relevant factors. The Earth is of course not an isolated system but can be influenced by external factors such as the sun. And astronomers have been worried now for a while that the solar activity has been too low. And there may be a connection with that, between that activity and our climate. How? Well, with less activity there is less UV radiation coming out from the sun, and that UV radiation produces ozone in the atmosphere, and that ozone traps heat which power the jet streams in the upper atmosphere, which transfer heat to, for instance, Europe during the winter. And with less power, then we get Arctic winds instead, which we have felt during the last 2 winters here in Europe at least. So if the solar activity dies down or vanishes, then we may end up in a situation similar to the so-called Maunder minimum in the 1600s, when we had a small ice age here in Europe. Nobody knows what will happen. The solar activity seems to go up from a very low level at the moment. There is some impressive videos coming out from the NASA Solar Dynamic Observatory, for instance. But we have to wait for a few years to see what will happen with the sun. I think it would be ironic if we need more CO2 in the atmosphere in order to counteract what happens on the sun. But as I said, it's way too early to say anything about that as yet. Okay, thank you very much for checking out this video. I hope I will talk to you soon. Bye.